This can be really frustrating. You're trying to save a Google document, you're trying to send a new email, and Google says you are nearly or you are out of space in your Google Drive. But yet when you go to your Google Drive, you see that you only have 21 gigs out of 150 gigs or whatever the number here is. You can clearly see you have more space available in Google Drive. What's causing this problem? How do you figure it out? Let me show you the answer to that question. Log into your Google account, go to Google Drive, go right here where it says storage. You might have to close all this stuff down so you can get to storage right here. You might also want to click on trash and see what's in your trash. You might have a bunch of trash you need to get rid of. You might have to hit empty and empty that out. Save some space there. But what else can you do? But if you go to storage, this is where you can see your allocation. You can see where you're using your space in Google Drive. And if you look right here, there's three very clear numbers. There's Google Drive, there's Gmail, and there's Photos. And by the way, this applies to Google Workspace as well as free Gmail. So I only have 11 gigs, 11.11 gigs of data in my drive, but I have 3.68 gigs of data in my Gmail, and I have just under a gig or just under a megabyte in Photos, not even a gig. So you need to look at these three numbers, and you need to look in your trash. And again, you'll find what your utilization is under drive.google.com/drive/quota. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.